money, dear fear man, quite a macro. When you say, I will and you say, Uncle Sammy, no, no, when I will. And take us here, then you may be a radio, no, I don't have Nyinsen, I will pray. Upon no what you know, radio, no, I don't have Nyinsen, I will pray. 106.3 radio, no, I don't have Nyinsen, I will pray. Abuso men kran kwantuo emu won sensem bebre emu yare emu amane hunu ti afia man kwata maklo e Nyinsen ni awo pore enu se onkasa nwie no na wanya wo na no anduro abuso men kran kwantuo emu won sensem bebre emu yare emu amane hunu ti afia man kwata maklo Nyinsen ni awo pore and you say, Uncle Sammy, no, no, when I want to and take us here, then you may be a radio, no, I don't have it. Nyinsen, I won't pray. Upon no what you know, radio, no, I don't have it. Nyinsen, I won't pray. 106.3 radio, no, I don't have it. Nyinsen, I won't pray.
Arafo yamamu nyina jo yamu akwa bado Adom 106.3 FM Nyinsen ni awobre ena asona no anso ne dia 16 ede amaye no ye da Advent Voices ase na ye da Ghana fo nyina anso ase multimedia nya 25 years aseda ene ye de mo bibia waka ho bia menne multimedia dwumakuo enfie poli 25 years ye da mo ase papa monko so ana mo nso ya sene na mo fa mo modwaton de mreye ne mo ho da roma mo ne nya bi nso de atua yenka ye da DJ Awana ase se wono so de dwumo a de afemu ena nwumre nkomo a ye ba bedie no pregnancy awareness Nyinsen mu ho ensam ene ye ba beka sa wo be fa fro kra also planning ni kwa sa wo da wa bam na ba we nyina Ghana ye nim dan so wotie Nyinsen ene awo dwumadie kwase da nwumre bia 8 pm ye ba e de bramo no a wo besua de bebre ene testimonies no adoso ebuso wo mo atia wo afo ma wo mo atia menne wo mo nyem wo mo be wo o nyakopon hwe obia ye by this time ye mani na mo do mo nyina ba ha na ye celebrate wo mo sonko then the special guest be a one wa ha no che say before kra na je se be yi na kire kra no ma me ntwere obi ade a wa twera fa no kakra bi enchire wo say that's my chocho mucho, a great woman of substance, full of wisdom and passionate for welfare of all pregnant women. She is really doing well. Let's promote her works by buying her books, especially all midwives, and encourage our clients to get copies as well. Obi se ni chocho mucho no. Na we no a screenshot no mo de abrem wa ha. Na edi a me hu ne say ono ade say soglo. Say kura woni mu no ba wadwuma pa o yenti. Obi a ne ho sent no age emonten so na wan na me de ne ho adanse yi. Ye na nkasa ye maame Dr. Linda Amakai Van Otu, Ghana Health Service Director, Greater Accra, and you want to home gym. Na so dear, na a special day, and ne rather the afebako a canifio. Nyinsen ni awo, ye tie, was studio no bia. Mama Linda, yes, I wish you a happy birthday. Then you have train and ye babu buegu pa. By the time I be piano, we free harness. Why am I? Na me say you come on after pregnancy. Enti akoba ni se na wo se ne yadofo mu bi di nkomo ye nya ye nua ba first time akora a wa fafuro na se de o komu num ne ade no ye be kan enen so de Facebook no mahya ma na ye fe kora do mo nkoso na mo nse ne by the time ye be wie no wasua ade papa ye dem live e wa Adom 106.3 YouTube so Adom 106.3 ni nyina ye go social media no ba bia ya to apete etu ko ho ma comment ye be kan se si ade ye kwaba fi se endpoint adaroma ene obo ye chidom na wonso wanya bre ehwebie yenkotie ye nua ba no a the first time a wanyim ni onyem da the first time a se woko antenatal woko pregnancy school so anko ni nyina ye na de ho nkomo share an experience e de akere ye yenkotie ni mra ye ba meyi me mame akere
Adom FM 106.3.
Oh, yeah, what dream so benny say, you know. Oh, play.
Me planning after me worry, you know. Yeah, said, you been saying me out. Me call hospital, go home, gynae. No, you, maybe I should be taking folic acid. You know, that was the only thing I me fa.
Do you know for how long? And Sana who say one year.
Me know there 6 months.
Oh, yeah, first timer.
Yeah, first time.
The experience in it to say.
Good and bad, but me no good no. It also same bad no. For the fact that unim say there is someone growing inside of you. Say also obi eni wrong. You can feel that there is life inside you. It's a beautiful experience.
Na bad ones near here.
Bad ones near the pain. Me say, you know, me the kind of problem with my hip. I say medical hospital. No more try me to a day, but and it was very painful. And it travel by me kotoji. And it me benya hemorrhoid. It's a cool said. But medical hospital say hemorrhoid, and no was very painful. There over 2 weeks now. Nothing. Made the hospital. And kakra the koye. Sometimes you get abdominal pain, you know. But maybe you know, I was fortunate say man say any man, but easy.
Only me no what call pregnancy school da.
For baby I'm na omonye me beside no one-on-one. It's you the patient with the doctor, and na me who says not a good idea because anka mo do so anya obi the problem with the ba obi be can be now so the into train na me be discover a different hospital as to see a
First one who call home for how long and how many months, and later was a sign. I didn't think I was.
I think after 24 weeks or so, now me feel her. The problem I say, I'm pregnancy class. No, if I say me na minimum pose bibisa or if me call na me ko doctor na wama me edro na me ko fie until bibisa me na me ko bisa e na omo share me so omo dey end omo ye no one-on-one.
Difference need to say.
No, baby I me kono me see anema bebre omo try and even exercises I obey as a pregnant woman in Yanya is a uji and anema obey we expect our pregnancy mo ebia during labor the ebema say I walk count on sanema na omo try intinema on so bibi ni a unim wada ho so nim say na aside that no so unta say class die obi be raise bibi a on so be sua the issue you know honey aboa me pa mituminya like normal cramps. Well, but me sana me who say oh we're normal way. Say by all means you feel pains because bibi shewo akola shewo obe dane ne ho obe keke obe see
banka first no nka wunim.
First, Vidi Kakrebia, Mama, you're worried. I had to say, hey, what is happening? But ever since me call, no more church, Ama, Vidia, between the say, and until say, the thing is, beyond me. And son of my cast, then let me talk to my doctor. Say, do I meet me free doctor? Or doctor say, name was okay, bra, my it's the same, like this, Bibi, say, I won't be coming to see, I mean, who say, I won't be coming. I try a science near there to expect.
And you know, Obeka say pregnancy school no year pie was say pregnant woman be a opportunity could be.
Sure. Especially first timers. And it's very necessary. It's very obvious. Obeka say no boy because me call no can never be free. And pa.
Na ya ukwa unu kunu neko.
Oh, Daddy. School is a meaning COVID.
Eba wanting no one na COVID.
And dear, na menina neko until obey a busy kakra. Menkwana eya meko.
Nti onu so asua bibia like say fie bibi koso obetimi ehu aboa.
Oh, actually, me call school neba obisa me dey siaye. It me train so and dey siaye. It's exercise saying onu kwedu o ha otumi kai me exercise no say you won. You know. On so far, on
Abusumen kran kwantuo emu won sensen bebre emu yare emu amane hunu ti afia man kwata maklo e Nyinsen ni awo opre enu se onkasa nwie no na wanya wo na no anduro Abusumen kran kwantuo emu won sensen bebre emu yare emu amane hunu ti afia man kwata maklo Nyinsen ni awo opre enu se onkasa nwie no na wanya wo na no enti kwasi edanyo mrebia radio no na Adom FM Nyinsen ni awo opre apono mochino radio no na Adom FM Nyinsen ni awo opre 106.3 radio no na Adom FM Nyinsen ni awo opre
no se wutie nko de adu ho no mu abawo afa ho afa oba na ni nyina nso ko pregnancy school no a enempanimfo ade aba no se de ha bibia ye bako aye bete kra wonyimpa na so wakọ hu school ni a kire wo a bibia esi a wonim na so wonim hwe na ba na afoforo se ya Nyinsen ene awo OFM wo boase 107.7 one more fa na Cape 93.3 FM one more so afa eye endpoint homeopathic clinic for and a boy chidom infections awodo a agye ase wo aboso nti esi wo ho kwan oba mesro wo chena nyame ya doma tutu brika ne kɔ ne enye free screening endpoint onye wo hwe na mema no so yemmo yem prostate no ho ban odwonso wote yawo ewo mu bedwonso ne nsu fita bi di akira enye normal anya sa na wo say ye nti frɛ endpoint wo 0244 8670 68 0244 867068 no woman ebo ya chidom anumre nkomo no eye pregnancy awareness ho enkomo ene ebedie na happy birthday nko ma me papa no mienu kwaku ofori amanfo ena fe Joseph Osei Ajima Nyakopon Eshramo na special one now no ne de ni see ene gengen no Dr. Linda Amakai Van Otu former Ghana Health Service Director and then the birthday no so Nyinsen ya wo ma so dante and the birthday or dedicate na yene no Eddie mommy happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Nyakopon Shra ho ayefe too much u ejin de mebusa wo chire ba nyame enshra no nyo kese pa na wadwuma pa wo yenti obi afa ochocho muchonso nya we no na koswa na eboa yensa yada se papa panyame enshra
amen
ye baba birthday no so na yemra ene ye nkomo twetwe yi eso ye hwewudin amakan kwara na wontante ne Linda no vanotu no a na nam yasom sa nti udin ne de the whole Ghana de obi anim ena wo manu so di ho adanse happy birthday no so ya na bi mo pass ma me wa ha menya wo nua di na me de bebro na wadwuma panso ntine ne topic no yentimi nsan wo ho nkofa obi a je se wo ankasa oboa ye kasa pregnancy na ankasa eyede a
yo bidasipi memfado fenchia Oye, when I would say hen na obi biara or share will be
I'll share on Facebook
and YouTube. Na orite will be bia. Yeda nyankoponase. Say yekede Nyinsen na no chrede oye bira benin na besia sebe wehia na besia no oye chefo na otoe no na benin no so ne sperm no wekehia na waye ba na oda besia ni yefunum na orinyin no chede na besia no we Nyinsen nti Nyinsen no onye de na benin na besia wehia benin ne sperms besia ni chefua we kwekehia wo baby a owode wo hia na wetum wa bom na wa hyase orinyin de nimpa oni Nyinsen
ano ni Nyinsen no nti ehunu na se Nyinsen ansa kura na ebeba no ede na wo se oba ne bema no yeye fi se ene ye didi nkomo bebre wo Nyinsen ni awo so a wo mo kire ye bibi ansa na sa nchemfo no ne nsuo no be hia kura ye ba no oba de ahobo na wo so wo ye e de train pregnancy bema ede na wo so wo so ye e de train pregnancy.
Okay, edi kind so hu say oba no every month no e say utumi etukosua ana say brofo no yakasa we ovulate say e bani say oba no entumi ovulate ana che say ontumi enyem ena bema no so e say wo hu nsuo no etumi ye their sperm say wo mu no omo ho edin a mbetumi so afro akwekohia egg no e wo baby a awono enti no before e betumi akase nkrofo betumi anyem no se be ma betumi anyem oba na oba nso betumi afa efuru na che se sanoma mienu e wo ho ebiem no se sanse Nyinsen no eye bibia se bio se koso a obetumi enya ba efim no nti no e se oboa wo ho se wo ho wo ye oba na afa na bia wesi so wo hu se wo ye period a emma ana say ambassador say ba 1 month na etwemu so many months ansa na ba e say otumi call hospital na ehwe say eye normal ana say enye normal if you say when to me embu wonsa enhu moja say eba na eche say there's something wrong somewhere nti eno no e say otumi call hospital e me ehwe ena sa afen so obi wo ho no mai bia na say bia onyan ware ye but wanyem anyem eyegu na wanyem no we yegu saa na che say wo ha wo hu if you say mribia na obenyem na obekoma ebia omo de bibi ahye wase so mo terminate pregnancy na ma wo no ena wo de na no na yakopon abon wo kwan bi so na wo se no enti wan hwe ya ebe ha wo ena afen hwe bi wo ho no mo a na se bia na wenya their friend say ectopic no na bia enya no mfomso wako hospital yesi when you topic said they say aye no Nyinsen na pai nti say be okokoyi nti eno no tubes ni ye mienu nti se yi baako efi ho because of ectopic na aka baako nti bibi sa no so say wo hwe ho yie nti ansa na oba betumi afa efuru no say wo hu se ne bra no ekoso pepepe se wonye hwa betumi akọ hospital na for the men no eno no wo ho a se be wo hu se bia nso ye fi mu hu ebe mwana woman no omo betumi etumi anyem oba na se nti eno so aje ko hospital eme yehwe asa na ohu so betumi anyem oba anase wuntumi
Arafonti wo hu sade nkomo no ekro no nti no Nyinsen kra na nsa na obefa no me yehwe se wo so wo yiye ye niema bia ansa na etimi asiesie kwam se be ya abodoma no so ba bebi oba beda no bibia eye kama yako Facebook Adom 106.3 FM Obey Frank ehwe na Pastor Mario wose afia bribia wugina wona so nyame hira Kwesi na Alex ebusase ye ho te say Adom ninti ye ho ye Simba Madridista wono hwe wo hia masaman na udin kesieze Dominic Nakotu enso ehwe ewo Virginia USA na fe Victoria Brokwa maye hai ewa ha Victoria Sade abase wo pay number okay mabna de bebro de bema William Anthony Folsom ehwe ewo Garden State New Jersey yɛda se papa na fe Charles Esuman enso ehwe yen live wɔ adwuma ko wɔ se adwuma na na moyɛ Nyankopɔn enhyira mo papa yɛda se Kennedy Kinto Adeti enso ehwe kechira kosua agimai se ɔkyea ya nwumrei na ne number ne yɛmfa ne nka WhatsApp group no hu yɛde wobɛka ho Abna Lydia nso hwɛ nyameche Brago Bonsu ɔse my baby is a week old today and he is passing out gas seriously. He is on formula. Okay, no, or the first question about mommy, jot to home na ye be ya no so e de manoro for real man for say good topic. Yeah, that's papa pora. And na kosua poma chia yen or London or yen free Isaac Chumesi e yen free Israel Tel Aviv. Yeah, that's papa Ghana for mo Nyankopon mo yen nyina ye ho ba. Do so ye ka se ye kenkan a ade e be chi yen. Na yanko mami na yantoa yanko modie no eso enne yes pregnancy awareness ye hunu okwan a Nyinsen no efa so eba ene ne wo so ba ne be man so ye di ehunu sampa ye dam ne kwan mu ana bibi nko yente wo se ye call hospital ye hwe se oba no ansampo no benyem yani ase ahoboa bi ewo ho se wo so nom folic acid o na se e wo so ba bia nom folic acid wari wie nko na wonim se ya wari awie de bia bosome next 2 months or 3 ye be fa fura na started nom folic acid.
Okay, ese obia wo ho nom a wonya good health ene che se weduane a wudie ene se da wusi edafa nsu a wonom any bibia we bia na ye pepepe won se dro de ye dro but so utumi edidi ye na wo moja e wo baby ese wo ye bibia kama now you are healthier you can become pregnant and you know say de be ya wo hu se wo ho wo hu se bia mani ase aye fita na se bia se bibia enkyere se wo feel fine na wo hu sa but wo call hospital na se ehwa ene betumi aka kire say de esi aye no ese ofa folic acid anase ese mu yema wedro bi anase ese yese but so obi nyem dia ene esa nyoma 1212 bi nti wokwa ye was specific ndro bi a ye de mankrofo mo mofa but answer na obekwa akwaware na bia wehu se ma ye ready me kwa akwaware no you can go to the hospital wokwa no akwakoye check into omo yom betumi ehu ebi kura na se be kura no bia na wo yare bi wo ho a wo de wunnim but to call hospital na ye hwa ye betumi akyerew say na say na se wo call hospital so akwakoye sa na dia esi ewo wabra bom a wunnim se bia na ye yare anase bibia se be waya ebia na dabi acha kura no wunya white anase wo ho no wase kekaw anase bibi ebia wenu fukura nsuo bom ana bibi sa no anything bia ye on ese ko hospital to make because they say no we prepare so be kwa worry na wetumi enya banso and it goes for both men and women ebia na be ma bi kra wo ho no ma cha bi no said the first wo kan no na bia nsuo fitaa bi efi be ma no mu aba anase no wa dwunso memu ahyehye pen ebi kra na dwunso kra time bi e ba ye na dwunso hu se emma papa anything bia aye no wo hospital say otumi ka especially say we prepare so kwa worry say otumi eye ne sa say the be ya say drobi na say de mawa na de amaw answer wetumi akwa worry
okay enti we no yen hwe se de Nyinsen no mu nsam atie dai na obi de wonyemo niam bɛn ne timi si Nyinsen anokwan.
Okay, first of all no ebi wo ho no ye wo ebi wo ye mo friends hormones ema ebuayen emi etumi ebuyensa ena ebia wonyem so a ewo se de esi ye ntenu wo ho ntenu se ne hwe ne se obi de ne se de esi tie no enye pepepa ye betumi hu ebi so ho no kra na na bia kwan na se kosua ne fam no kra na bia na esi ebi so ho no bia na bibia ese yi kosua no kra na bia na yare ewo ho enti no mo hwom betumi hu se we no ende ye enti entumi ma Nyinsen emba ebi so ho no kra na ye yare foforo bi na ayesa ba se dem sika ye no ebi kra wo ho no kra na bia achachache bi no ye yi na hode eno so ewo ho no ebi so hokra na eye dia oba ne be ma no esihia no mako akwakoye presentation several times on menstruation ne ehu se nkrofo bebe ya no mo nti menstruation nase enti ebi obi be kase mi bu mensa 1st January and edu 26th so ma se bu mensa but so one hihye ne ye ne wan hu se bia me dia na ba so many days in na eye ansa na ba enu ti na bia me ovulation eye sambre we na you can be married ebia no mo have sex but not at the time exactly and we have seen people like that ebi so hono mu na ya hwa no ntumi hu ne ntia eba ne sa there's a small percentage of people bia omo de ne omo hwa ntumi omo hu de ntia eba ne sa. There's also the issue wa mema no ebi hono mu sperm no said you see enante no e too slow ebi so honum kra sperm dodo no na esha won say the egg no so you produce egg na ese sperm no should to me travel ekokohia egg no said you see ekọ no
emonyo be pa na egg no kra wa bre
ebi so honum kra na esha dodo nti wo hospital eno de no be ma na bia na onhunu nti no ko hospital na se ehwe be ka say bia sperm counting esha ebi kra dodo e wo na esha kra and I said they see Nantenon so Chad obetumi edru hon exactly no so and there are so many reasons to me eman basa but so hospital there and obetumi ahwehwe ehun say dem factor and yes some of them no omo ye na se ehun their how either say be man na so ba na omo tumi ye na ya solve problem no ama omo.
The doctor can try to you cry no ne mema no bi ho mu a wo munyi ntumo da wo kan we nyina say bi mo egi slow chechede kura kan no monyo so ko kan no yenko hospital onko ne ye sure ma bo bi cham so den anwumre mo a mo hwe ni nyina ye hunu mo nyakopon hira mo Auntie Victoria Benewa Jimaima mo nyina WhatsApp mo aja to mo a mo hwe na fe Debbie Chei also public health or Bojuma or East Legon Potamu Panyame Asia Princess Aku or say good evening Efia na mitie me show ewo Tabora that's that alaji no fwa benwa and so share live Facebook yada say papa pa Kate yabuan so share mama you are doing good work you nyakopon show Debbie Chain aba no ma boni dia mo aba by force o se adwuma na mo ye Debbie da se papa so ese wo ye na oba God bless you good job Kwame from Paul Manson Thomas Doche share live from USA we enjoy program no ye da se papa ma me ya ade pena say kudos to Auntie Linda tell her JRNMA social media platforms across the country are all listening. Some of me make and we pray to work together towards the universal health coverage. What you say? This is no natural bremen. All the best to her. You order se papa pay betwa. And also Shannon so say Nyinsen ya wo dwumadi kwase da nwumre bia 8 p.m. DJ 1 awie no nwum no ne aso ya betena sem komo bia fa Nyinsen na wo ne nkora ne nyina no ye de ne nyina bro adwumako kase ebo ya chidom endpoint homeopathic clinic and nkomo aye die so endpoint boho ban pa infections no ne ade sei wote ne kwakra di when was wo ye free screening and the doctor Eken wa hunu se nsufita bi fi ube memu wa mpamua infection bi aye wa mpamua odopabua na ebia na ewugina wona so so obabu nti no unkasa but ebia dachi bi ebia aba ware wuhi aba na afia the problem abanti frɛ 0244867068 0244867068 nene nkasa ora ya boatin echia yen yeda se papa Mr. Boatin so hwen wo YouTube yeda na se papa na de ba bia muguo monhwe ye betwere mu nyina mu din de aba na yemma Bernard Akufuado nene yire gift ye boa congratulations enura nyame ya adom maka won ho abom ewo adukrom yakopon enhira ware so pa donkokrom anaza adukrom Adankro no ayo adankro no hu eno awahin isina na se wen nti Bernard Akufuado any gift ye boa adankro no mako kamo ho abo Nyankopɔn enhyira mo ye di nkomo ebra no beso ye be bia phone lines e bia na wo adwene bi na maame ye ne kase ye wo ye former health director Greater Accra wo ye adwuma enam ne so enene ye wo pregnancy school e wo almost government hospitals ntonye ni paato a ye bebusane die nti a wo de sa pregnancy school no baaye ye wo antenatal wo ho no se da bi yemfa pregnancy school mra yenu aba ye ni di nkoma test ya kire se aboa no pa aboa no fi so kosa school ni bia obi ani ni problem enti obi Canada na atwon de aba na nso abusa question de afa ho eye good pa nti se wa fafro na nko pregnancy school ni bia Mr. Okobi mame na wana so da ye pregnancy school no
yo mes start fi their friend said promise no promise no ejina homa promoting maternal and infant survival excellence
na promise ni there
mechrimba
bibi o hansa na pregnancy school na ba ho
e ka ho
no ne promise no okay
essence na medwen ho ana me dwen ho aden na ya sebi mba kwa wo so a omun kofi
awo
ena nkwada bebre so
enkofi ya wo mo so no mo enkofi
enti brand me regional director wo western region no ena ye fa adwense be hwe na yesi ano kwan se de betumi bia nyame adom enti ye sade na ye friend promise no ena ye de nnoma bi ba se bebi a wo ye adwuma bia ne hwe ne a esi ma no kwan ebia na ye dia ebia na emoje nni hokowo na wo emoje tu no na wafam ewu anaso antenatal anaso no me bebre nti ebi kra na oye teenager no wakonyem ebia na omomoja ewo fom no me bebre na ehweye na ye dibubo mu saa na ye na region for ni nyina eche se sade we na pese ye nti out of that no na eye Gapoha hospital for no almost stress ese ya na yetumi ka bibi mo say antenatal no say dey see ye no enti ye na yadwendwen ho a na ye ka say okay say dey say ye bibi e ka antenatal no ho enti say dey be ya obi abetumi ate ase ne ade no na me trust sa Facebook no am friends say pregnancy school communicating with pregnant women and their families na nia book their pregnancy school no eye ne say Emma omo nyem no omo kununom omo maame ene obi bia po pese te pregnancy ase no etumi nya classes bi ko se de be ya wo kwa ye be chechiro pregnancy se de maame no oka no se de esi ba se de esi ko se wote se ya na kire se ne ade nyina na kire se wetumi hwe nya kwan ebusa question enu here me pa because so we share regular antenatal na omo ya de bebre but ya na pregnant women no do so emma midwives dodo omo wo ho no nti omo nya kwan entumi encheche onoma bebre nti se bia omo ko antenatal no na se na ye ka aduane ho asem midwife na bia omo ono nko na so omo ye mienu ba ko ye we nti se ka se wi asa na wo pregnant woman no waba dia ye ka ye nyina wonti bi but nurse ne dia no aye na fom dia e na wo ban hwe behwe we furu ya ye sei ni ade nya nti wo say almost start clinic no kra e che ansa na last person no kra akọ nti ye say sa dia na why say ye nye bibi fufuro omo betumi a chekire midwives no a chekire fine say pregnant women no anywhere person oti a wase husband grandmother obi bia betumi akobi no mo etumi a chekire omo ase e na biom no nso omo betumi kura de sa time no a chekire omo hospital no said ye nti obi bia na e friends omo koto of the hospital if you say bi no for you sese ka se be operation pe no adwane ba sa okona sa odi weni ekokokire theater ho no hu se theater no kura se na ho enye hu ebi so hwa ye chiro se labor ward na nunie mbema kobi no mo hu se o sa de enye hu enti no se ka se be ma operation a enye nwanwa ena biom no so ya na doctors no kura bi etumi ba pregnancy school no enti no chiro se ba ne se meye operation a me ena mjina he wo be theater bia na makata me nti hu hu me but minie ena bibia wo bia so tumi ebusa me enti ye pregnancy school ni se de be ya you bet to me a church for more than
the
what
more
they
year
learn.
war antenatal.
Exactly. Near more quite so more to me a busa question. Now, they are interested when they say, yeah, they buy no. Midwife for ne doctor for no more ya no more who says see dan the muka cry see any say into say cry I say classes into level 1
graduation in Abamo
near graduation omo to me kwa eko wie no na to me aye na interestingly no said I mean no can obi question ebe to me you would ano into so people say question no be e ya no sa ye ma pregnant women ni bi kura etumi gina ho e kire ena biom no so etumi eboa eme ye misconception and I said there
adwini bi say we be wu ye operation wo be wu ne sa ne ma no
ena eboa ema nurses no ene apemfo no so
enya contact
exactly
ena kwa de ye say omo fa no mo de kofie nurses no midwives ne number e wo so enti se wo fie anadwo wanyo wo be frɛ no
no so nim say mami we na efrem na wo so nim nurse a wo frem no say we
say relationship between doctor you can say midwife and pregnant woman no solid oh my idea
emu no so yetumi aye say ye show mo ye monitor hwe say omo ba ye no because when you say wo moja no e wo baabi enti etumi hwe say we ni moja na ba form kakra enti enya ni say omo tumi kra kokosra wo mo say hwe na so obi e wo chi no omo betumi akosra no enti pregnancy school it's an addition to the antenatal no but a opportunity ye de ma ema pregnant women any midwife no etumi edi nkomo ena biom no so etumi e de fa so e chechiro mo nyoma first cry to me ye bibi to say food fair e ka ho na ya kire say eduane we wudi a eye eduane we wudi eye eduane we wudi eye e bia we hu but we nim but we go school na ya chechiro ni na we hu ade ba ko sha school no eboa e ma ye any sex in pregnancy e mani be ho mu sure say bia menyim na say me ko yes sex man akwa ka me ba nani anasa yese ni nyina ba ku bi say ya ye twa photo man be ma no na na e kire husband na na e kire class no about that
how on na yire open for year juma
it come wonta
oh
it was so beautiful and e yen sana eboa na the interesting thing so ni say no yenye wo hospital nkwapo yakwa into the community because ebi ho no maybe baby a no wo no hospital exactly into aye no community no so na chese omo etumi akoho no out of the pregnancy school ni etumi hu say omo ba ye no omo wo ye no dodo say na awo we no akakakra na wawo we aye say into that it's a way of trying to get the pregnant women into the heart of the midwives no now midwives so pregnant women ne nkrofo so ehu say
esa bonde na moye na nti dey na esokura woba and I was first so kwabra na be wo adede sa ni atenie because of pregnancy school na nessa insult no ni ade ni nyina akofom
and no much so nti say we say there's a lady ono kra no ono so afi na no wa wo back or say all kwakwa wo na fe do onsuro if you say no mo akire no said the hotie nti okọ no onsuro na fe so okọ no nim say omo mo ho no mo hia no pregnancy school no say ya na mo kra frɛ no ebusa say no ho ti say ana so it's a way omo a bonding
no correct aba for stay yepa na ye hwe nti yadru ya botaye ho botaye nti ye de bae no hwe yadru ho
yegu so me my dream is say so in say pregnancy na 9 months ye chemu miensa first trimester miensa na edikan no 3 months etwaso any the last 3 months no na me hope any say obi anyima at least one ko bi kura no every 3 months na wo no sa first trimester ni second term at least ko ba kwa na se mienu wo kwa wo be hu nneoma bebre ebi no ho no ma so ma nkwa nneoma bi ye o ma o mu hu te say obi a na eni edi nkomo no say na me nteme me ba ne nka na me nim dia meye ntina me ofie
wa hwe
okwo ye no ne ba ne nsanka enti wo say sa wo kwa we ni say na nka wo say o me nteme me ba ne nka because sa wo kwa antenatal na obetumi ebusa midwife na asam de but we dey free time bi a chese obi a yes na ye kire omo ena yetumi eye eduane ye prepare eduane ye chese
ye mo aduane if you kwa mo feed you omo Adabi yakọ mi sa dabraka na rage. Na school by where my bosan ni ade wa wani to your pregnancy ni ho nsem. Na mte wa dey onso muni di ya wa fast na take away soon. That's a my ya man no I don't know I fe.
To me e wo fa omo.
E wo fa omo ba. Eno an ye sick ya you know ye kan yin sen ni awo. So be wo afa wo ba. Ya. So anyam 9 months pa na wunya.
Yeah. No, almost person mo ya ma pregnant women who say ye pese mo wo efa mo
ba.
No.
Yeah, that's so about confirm ye slogan na ma ye. Enti no Nyinsen ni award so ofie oba wo afa wo ba. Eno no ye da nyame ase ye bompa ye say wo be sa ba ha bie no abeka che say achieve. E makura ye koye nim sa ba ye hwe I pregnancy screen I said dey be obi onyam pa na otimi ba bie obi a onyam nanso da bia no obenyam obetimi a working in aba classes ni bi
obetumi akọ ye mutai say ye pese ye hu se wote ase enti no say wote say ye pregnancy school wo baby a obetumi akobi e bia na wakan bibi kra wo baby that is an opportunity a obetumi akwabusa ho asem se mekan say anase mekan say enti obetumi akobi emema tumi kọ se ebi kra wo se da wo ye awo ni
Nyinsen ni awo yi
baby awo wo no che se wa sori dem ana bibi kra wo say pregnant with that is my view my vision and so say we can have enkrofo a omo epe apinfo asem on betumi akasem person me organize sa apinfo na me friend midwife no
omo mekasa
okay. That is one of the things we want to do. Anything yeah community wants no so eka said the baby ya ni
betumi because se bi mo ho a hospital ni ho enti no se school no ye nya volunteers bi no mbekọ no makasa anke no so ebeboa Dr. Rachel akosa yeda se papa sa won so age bread na wo hwe ebie yeda mo ase na ochiamia mo akoda kwanso abamu a wo hwe Thomas doche maka wo de no ho o se doctor more fire we too much God richly bless you in Jesus name yeda se kwia Delis o say I've been pregnant for 40 weeks but I can't see any sign of labor. Is it normal? Mommy jot mommy ne yebe yin samna no amomo adamte nakote. Was it dog please? Do you have to get a personal midwife or going to the hospital for checkup is enough? Okay, Dr. B ya no dia. Maybe questions 9 be marshal here. Edeban Jacob Wemega was say good works. Keep it up. John Jenfi say good evening. May sure live from Tema. Gloria Danso say good job. Mama Efia and Dr. Nyamisha promise. Mendel Kwesi, I love this show. Promise. Listen from Volta region Anglo. And yeah, Nyame Adoma China ko keta no kochia menso no homa me. Ne da se papa. Yeah, da se questions na na ba and that time ni dwane rough. Yes, you was surprised be a person because na birthday ntino. I say the birthday na kama faster than my endpoints. Now you be phone lines no 0302 216561 0302 216562. Now one so far the no bra but mommy answer on beba no e bi mo de omo question ba ku ye no be ba ha ye yi omo de na no ma wo mo
yo first old baby on formula.
Yeah.
Me no say also pass gas. Me nim ntia ye den ato formula so. I don't know say be a hospital na can so onye sa na say. But me sremo say wo a enufonsuo no. The best thing you can give to your child. Enoma bebre wom ya no said they say ye. I don't know why ye ma 1 week old baby.
And they say gas now apparently produces an
exact ABS said do see the mechanic say on so problem with breastfeeding on Fanunko Hospital. Better so be konombe. I don't want to say there's something wrong with the baby. No Abia Adrian but that could be one.
Okay, mommy, yanko phone line no so na ye beto so. Ye beto no so. Ode mo ajodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so.
Hello. Auntie Sefa.
Ye mo ajodo na free here anwumre.
Kaswa, ye fa me vero.
Yo, auntie very yenti o.
Me pacho me pesa me bisa sen. Ayam pase, aya almost
ayi ade bia ya ho no nipa afono ho
Jemre kutuana.
yes
Ayi na ya sisi ya han me refi
aha almost ya be ma onwo ana face no na doctor fa ya menses no ho sebia ene na obenya o menses a obi dey bia up to 23 days or 28 days into be kan ya that day no ade akosi na wa say be 23 or 28 no krana.
Okay, dog be ya no dia ma ya da se papa foforo so ahoma no so. Ore ya mo ajodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so din ene ba bi afre yemfi.
Oba.
O na afre free he.
Yo me pa cho bi ba je kini me free a che on to premai. Aya Eastern region dan Chembo district.
Yo yenti o.
Yo mama ya da mase. Na me pese me busa se school no mo kan ho asem yi. Tre akọ se be ye nuanum nkron kitwa yi mu ana na timi aboa ama omo so a se be omo won nkronkra omo nyim a na omo ntimi nkọ ayaresabia esan se men wo no afi ya no achi no omo aye book bi a tempo abase ye betimi anya bi na basa ye betimi aboabo ama omo manyanyim no ano ni a cheche mo na
Yada se papa Mr. Dog di kan no ba obese sisu bi mama o yada se ofofro so so odo mo ajodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so
Ubewa for one for ba.
Yada se ayi Felix ni an what they say Felix
If I said that you're funny,
no wa na
if I said that
afa na onyem
if I said love you, but you
wo line mu nya kura ye nte o kasa no
hello.
aha low radio no nso maye
If I told me, you problem, I can't person.
okay yeti o
If I told now, we have a menses 7 days. But me quiet way family plan on which in best 3 months, no menses no my. By major family plan or 4 months. So now menses no about 3 days, major. On which in my sister, me Nancy. Me is not the toilet na me na Nancy.
Acho when you feel say 29 and when no method ben now yeah you know
if I tell
family planning the method ben now yeah
if I tell 3 months
okay mate online mu nye but the working dog beboa o na ye wi a china ko hospital aha yada se papa ofofro nso ahoma no so odo ye mo ajodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so
Pastor me do so.
yo na mama free he
Pastor me ka so free
achimota yo yenti o
Pastor person me this doctor say so when you ma uko hospital uko just can it me escape woman na was since October na me escape in me hospital last month. Me just no me see the any but me we didn't me who say me that was 3 days to the me sign for you and no me no much me moja the test for almost a pregnancy test and no so much shame and to me back you know no because I'm say it's me aside it's me say akalana turn to me local medicine Endra me koto loka me ko church mu tre woman na oton adunu no or mixing indrodi ma me se me menu ana menum na beba
mame wako yes can yes ye hu na de na akofa loka akofra foreign mesro dog be ya no dia ma but so wako ba bi na anye ya dia sa try another hospital na hwe enti men combine sa nyoma ni me enum mom why me pa chopa ba dog be ya no dia ma Meda say ye fa last caller. Odo ya mojodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so. Yo caller bi ani so de ani yemfansi ha. Last caller ni yenya ni odo ya mojodo ba Nyinsen ni awo so.
Okay, mpasa me so.
Yo na free ni.
There may be some say if I show we say a private way and I say.
But odi na private way.
Part of school.
Oh, pregnancy school no do anya private but mebusa no say was wo ba bia na why e be ya no dia ma me da se papa ya de course no asia mommy yemfa last caller yi de yenyine de na ano pregnancy school no wo just only government hospitals and as I say na ete
yo
brief on.
You introducing all the you introducing what Greater Accra and Western region into be hospital be a person try or start to be an obey to me aye. Now your church and crofo obey to me actual mom to me aye no said they be effective.
Okay.
Into private hospital person ya obey to me aye.
Okay. You see some no
scan no or see when who wire lab so when who no. Now can person say we are on frame.
There here.
They also acquire scan almost pregnancy me lab test and show you negative. Until we are to me afro na na obi oye family planning said okay and it would be good so better akobium because said they say to me entna senior no there might be other reasons why into no mesre ne said na yase ye ne ya ne ade no on sign kobium
we bia enye family planning no ye ne ne de akoshe ho e bi no ebo wo mu panti
menstrual cycle no said am kan e bi no entumi nkan e say wo kan from eda wo hunu moja no into say next 16th na wo hunu moja na wo be kan akosi eda obesen ehu moja no eduomo no cycle no ya na nkofo ehu ni je maybe one day no
emesa no na me be kan o se ba fi say you cry ni dey be ti wo mu da
calculating it wrong
Nelly or calculation o dey tan wona nyem onyim aso be so ha pa ma mo pe condom use e bi ti mo aso be she
pregnancy school in villages no said am kan ya try say dey be as close to the people as possible. Book in the ye will book or
okay.
I to me a day and ye will book for front show honoma. That church of pregnancy, remember woman, we a lay person crowd better.
But yes, yeah, by a level.
And our moms, no, their moms, a bit to me, yes, sir.
A bit to me causing infertility.
A bit to me, yes, sir. And
memano.
Okay. And memano it to me, yes, sir. And a personal midwife say be obi nyima onya personal midwife well we go hospital na say sure dia e kama but say bia we was special reason bia obetumi ne midwife bi akasa but the only thing is say who say you are also part of a hospital. And I said, Bibi said, "Beya say be a midwife here to kwan." And I Bibi, and I just said, "No, no, kwan air show."
Okay.
But private midwife for one obey to me alcohol. And a 40 weeks, you know, or say, oh, who sign of labor be a pregnancy. 40 weeks plus or minus 2.
Okay.
Plus or minus 2 weeks. Into obey to me from 37, 38 to air corner. Into our hospital. Normal shene baby New York. Normal cash ya date of expected date of delivery. Into a sad date no action dear. And so say and so yen so na say hano say bia yes na my suggestion is the way to me who the doctor and as a midwife no normal ene naka 1 week old baby ni dey come say the baby no betumi nyi aye kama no man breast
na Evelyn asante say 2 months pregnant now no the odia besin kola. I want to know would that help the pregnancy? And now they are basing while we are and grabbing so me look up how
they are wood no akoda no so
DB
umoja no say e kodru baby HB na wo mu no moja the man ye kokko no say ko baby intimate ukwa ombetumi achechire nduane a eye good minim say wonyim sometimes very difficult but ombetumi chache obibi obedi ene bra ombetumi de ama
Yemfasidama Dr. Linda Amakai Van Otu. Yadana sepa Amakai. Na your birthday na do so ba friend number 0244867068 0244867068 na free screening no yenye emarne topic yin so ofre doctor obechechi omuye na waboa wo papa happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy to you happy birthday to you how old are you now how old are you now how old are you now how old are you now
I'm 26.
Yeah. May God bless you now. 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 Hip 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 hip. Hooray! Entienne yamma Linda Amakai Nebo. Amakai Van Otu. And then birthday. Ain't you not sure the first time I walk by Nyinsen I was soon to know. Now I see a surprise and a kakra and teja. Where do you from Nyinsen I war team no? Ya near listeners, near viewers. You see, I wish you a happy birthday. Inti yen cha cake yimu. Yen na ya dayan wash off for hane. Inti mabna shom na yen chamunsha eja. Aha. Oh boy beshom. Ye cha cake yimu ashe eja oba. Ene hun konkrone dimo. Amen. Where do you viewers? Mon kafra. Yen birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday dear. Happy birthday to you. Yado bia se bomi yada se papa ni hwe kanwa ne yawe. Aha, se da wonya me ho. Nyankopon ma mfie bebre ni nyansa. Adom a wode boa yen wo pregnancy no ho nsem no. Omma boa yen with ideas. Nyame on show papa pa. Enti adofo ha na brema kwan ne Nyinsen ni awo dwumadie no. Yade ni nyina besie mo me chia abusua. Ohu dom ase kitwa bi ne ahware nkona ka rigidi aye krado mo ba
yo mezinda sezema oye obibiara enyo me kun memba na busua nyina na onye oye wankase fia de ndeze at long last yetumi ahia
yes
obibiara ote bia no so yankopon ni hye obi anwo no mfa no ho
mfa ne ba Yada say amen 0244867068 na wafre na nenkomoi obechecho mu bebre yada say kaligidi etwaso
Drinks and plans specially for you, so don't put me for waiting. Any little thing that we do, she be between me and you. Happy birthday, this be your cake. The party tonight before my place. Invite all your friends, Rose and Kate. Disaster like me, they work for NATO. Oh my darling, hey Melissa. Post make a who could take the picture. If I don't marry you in the future, like a grace, I just wanna be a mister. Oh my darling, hey Melissa. Oh brony Melissa. It's more watching, it's more pizza. Oh brony Melissa. Oh my darling.
Se die adesua yemre enei ubetumi asua bibia wo so hunu